Good evening, everybody. Thank you for joining us tonight for SAMBA COVID-19 webinar series. Tonight is number 7, titled Tips and Pitfalls to Resuming Care at Your ASC, as well as Office-Based Anesthesia. As always, we'll start with the legal disclaimer from SAMBA. And as you read that, I would like to go over a couple of housekeeping points. Please note that in the right upper hand corner of your screen, you will see a control box. There are 2 things in there that you need to know about, the chat box and the question box. So if you have any comments or if you have any technical difficulty with the webinar, please write it down in the chat box. Our staff will be monitoring that and they will take care of it and address it right away for you. The question box, I would encourage you to write your questions submitted throughout the webinar, and at the end we'll have an ample opportunity for questions and answers, as always with our speakers and panelists. So I have a little announcement to make. Tonight is the one before last of the SAMBA COVID-19 webinar series. The last one will be incorporated into our virtual annual conference. As you all know, we canceled our in-person meeting because of COVID-19 associated travel ban. So now we're going to have a true virtual experience in June 6th and 7th. Please join us. We'll have the last COVID-19 webinar incorporated into that meeting. We will continue, however, with other webinars around that time. We'll take the next weekend off. Everybody deserves a weekend off for the holiday, to observe the holiday with your families. And after that, we'll resume webinars in standard format. If anything comes up regarding COVID-19, we'll be happy to address that in another and separate webinar. So this year is our 35th anniversary, so 35 years of SAMBA. And for that, we're offering a special discount. Please check your email after this webinar to get the special discount code for our annual meeting, which is this year. It's a true virtual experience. If you haven't had a chance to visit our website, sambahq.org, we have launched for your COVID-19 resources page. Lots of resources out there, lots of links that you hopefully will find very helpful. Among things that you'll find there under the webinar tab is this webinar series. All the prior webinars have been recorded and posted there, not just the video, but also the slides where you can enjoy and review, and you can share with your friends and colleagues. And tonight's webinar will also be posted after we recorded tonight. Over there, also under this tab, you'll see SAMBA statements. So far, we've issued 3. The first one was on March 17th regarding the ambulatory elective surgery, when we postponed those because of the pandemic. And then when we start providing that service again, we issued the resuming ambulatory anesthesia care statement. And last but not least, we issued the COVID-19 testing guidance before ambulatory anesthesia. And coming soon to you, will be issued momentarily, probably tomorrow, is this checklist that your board have been working on. And I just got the last vote a few minutes before this webinar, so just got approved by our board, which is a SAMBA checklist for COVID-safe ambulatory surgical facilities. We will post that there for you to review and hopefully we'll use. And there will also be a little printout that you can add your facility name and saying that you are following SAMBA checklist for COVID safe ambulatory surgical facility. We're hoping that by this checklist is that we can help you to do the right thing, and also assure your staff that you're working with that you are doing the right thing, and hopefully with your patients as well. When they know that you're doing that, then we ask you to probably share that with them as you communicate with your patient that you are following this COVID-19 safe ambulatory surgical facility list from SAMBA to kind of gain the public confidence in coming to our facilities to receive the care that they need. If all that is not enough from SAMBA. I wanted to share with you some of the benefits that we have always had: the annual meeting, the member discount, discussion forums that we posted on the COVID-19 resource, the education webinar series, the research award, and opportunity to win a research grant as well. Chance for professional development and leadership opportunities. Many of our members were able, through their work with SAMBA, to advance their academic career. Networking opportunities unprecedented in other society, where you can mingle and get to know and become friends with the leaders in the field, nationally and internationally. And also we have the distinguished SAMBA fellow status that you can achieve by participating in SAMBA activities and volunteering and so forth. There are certain criteria.